Hello friends, you are watching Financial Veterans. Today we'll be discussing about the topics we have discussed earlier in our first video, as it is always better to understand, to revise the things for a better understanding of the subject. So in our first video we have gone through the village Ramgarh for its various economic activities in that village. But there's some things and some of the things were somewhere left in that video, so we'll be just covering those things in this video, so that we can have a better better concept building of the topics we have discussed. So earlier we had started with the definition of economics, and the definition of economics we have studied, that is nothing but the social science that deals with the study of production. We'll write it out, okay, so that we can have a glimpse of the topics earlier. Production, distribution, and consumption, right? So these were the three factors. Sorry for the shaking of the screen. Let's going further towards the definition, and for that we have to discuss our story, which we have discussed in our last video. So the story of the village Ramgarh. So we have talked about there were two main things in the village Ramgarh related to economic activities. That is, one is the farming activities there, and other was is non-farming activities there. Okay, farming and non-farming. Farming activities, we have discussed about the land distribution there. Okay, so land distribution there. Pardon me for my handwriting. The land distribution there is not even, right? So land distribution there is not even. And one more thing was there, that 75% of the population was employed in farming sector, right? This was the some of the glimpse which we had discussed earlier. So for a better understanding, we can just move on to our last video, so that you can have a proper definition, and with the discussion of the farming activities there. So moving on to the non-farming activities. The non-farming activities there in the village Ramgarh was, first and foremost, main was dairy farming, and we have discussed that in dairy farming we had a lot of cattles, and with those cattles the byproduct of there is milk. We can relate this milk with the output of the farming activities. These single byproducts, the natural byproducts, can be considered under the primary sector of the economy, right? Primary sector of the economy. Okay, so cattles and their byproduct milk, and with that milk the dairy farmers use that milk to process it into cheese, ghee, and curd. Okay, and curd. And these byproducts are further used for the consumption of people. Okay, so this were the things that were going on in the dairy farming thing. Now that then comes the jaggery making thing, and it is also non-farming activities that is happening in the village Ramgarh. So the common name of jaggery is gur, and this can be extracted from the raw material. The raw material needed in jaggery making is sugarcane, right? So sugarcane. Now with this, good can be further sold into the market. Right, which is a part of distribution, right? It's a part of distribution thing. So after jaggery making, one more activity was happening in the village Ramgarh, that was shopkeeping, right? And shopkeeping, the people, so-called traders, right? Those traders, though they are very few in a small village in Ramgarh, right? So those people were very few. What those people do is they purchase products. Like biscuits and many more household things. Okay, household things. Okay, they purchase those household things from the wholesale market. Okay, so they purchase those products from the wholesale market and they sell it to the consumers. At a profit, right? This was the basic concept of shopkeeping. Here basically the exchange of goods is going on, right? So in shopkeeping, what traders do is they purchase products from the wholesale market and they sell it to the consumers, the end line users, we can say, and they sell it to them at a profit, so that they can manage their working capital, and with that working capital again they can purchase those products and use their profit to scale their business, or to use their profit as their earnings, right? So then comes the last and the not the least, the MSME thing. MSME, it stands for medium and small scale, micro and small scale medium enterprises, right? So what these MSME do is, these MSME collect raw materials from their suppliers, and process it further into a product, and after that product they further sell it to the distributors, and those distributors, keeping their margin, they sell it to the consumers, the end user, we can say, end user. Okay, so this was the basic framework, the production, and here is the distribution part, which is after making of the product, the company sell it to the distributors, and after the distribution process finally reaches to the consumer, which is the part of the consumption thing, right? So this was the basic process of the production, distribution and consumption of the product. So in a quick look, we have gone through various farming and non-farming activities, which we have discussed in our first video. So now we are moving on to the main thing, the production, how the production of the products is going on in MSME, right?